Okay, so today we're talking about Mazda CX5 problems with not being able to turn the accessories off. So the engine will turn off with the stop start button, but the accessories won't turn off, and then obviously you're potentially going to run your battery flat. Some research suggests this may also be a problem with the Mazda 6, but I haven't actually seen that. I've only seen it on the 5 so far. So the issue that you're going to have is with the neutral switch, which is part of the shifter assembly. So if you've got that issue, go and buy yourself a neutral switch from Mazda and change it over. We'll do another video later on how to do that. But for now, if you've got that problem, obviously you're at home late at night and you still can't turn your accessories off. So even after turning the engine off, you're at this point and the button won't turn off. What you need to do is just play with this back and forth, just in the park spot a few times, and then try again. 9 times out of 10, that neutral switch, once it's been hit a few times, will at least allow you to turn it off. Don't ignore it forever. Eventually it will stop working. Cars don't fix themselves, contrary to popular belief. If you've got that problem, you need a new neutral switch, which is under here.